How to buy Bitcoin with Paysafecard full guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, we're going to be quickly discussing on how you can buy Bitcoin with Paysafecard in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now, to start things off, what is going to happen is that, there's no direct way to do a Paysave and Bitcoin transaction. For this, we're going to need a middleman or a middle provider. In our case, we have Paxful.com. And in Paxful.com, what you can do is, first of all, you're going to choose the currency you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy a Bitcoin, which is one Bitcoin is $28,560. Okay. Once we've chosen Bitcoin, you're going to go with pay with. Okay. Now, obviously, we want to pay with our Paysafecard. So you're going to click on show all, and right here you can search up Paysafecard. And look at that. It gives you your Paysafecard, and you're going to enter the amount that you want to give. So let's say I want to give out $9,800 or $9,800, and then you're going to find offers. So once you click on finding offers, it opens up this interface, and it gives you all these different escrow accounts that you can use. And there's different buyers, and these are extremely trusted buyers, so you can obviously trust them, and they're verified, so it's pretty great to buy things from them. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.